a nuclear war, a supervolcano eruption, a meteor strike, even a zombie apocalypse could force humanity underground. The first images that come to mind might be grim, cramped, dirty slums, humans packed like sardines in rat-infested warrens beneath the Earth's surface, and endless battles for territory. But for the wealthy, a different picture emerges, a luxurious escape from these cataclysms. Today, the market offers a range of underground bunkers, from basic dormitories to extravagant mansions, even entire subterranean cities. But can these bunkers truly offer safety, or could they become tombs, burying their owners alive? Let's take a virtual tour of the world's 5 most expensive bunkers to explore what it's like to live with millions of tons of earth above your head. First up is Vivos X Point, a true bunker city in South Dakota, USA. Created by the American company Vivos, this sprawling complex consists of 575 bunkers, each costing a surprisingly affordable $25,000. For millionaires, such economical post-apocalyptic housing may seem beneath them, but the location is ideal. Tucked away in one of North America's safest regions at an altitude of around 1,150 meters above sea level. With mild weather year-round, residents are unlikely to be drenched in rain, and the nearby rivers and lakes won't wash away the soil. The nearest potential nuclear target is over 160 kilometers away, ensuring that the serene silence of this hidden village remains undisturbed. Each bunker is fortified with a thick layer of earth and a drainage system to prevent flooding, and the entire 46 square kilometer complex is powered by solar and wind generators. Life here could be surprisingly comfortable. A trip to the store, dinner at a restaurant, a weekend barbecue with fresh garden produce, or even a visit to the theater. Next, we move to a more exclusive subterranean home, a nuclear bunker in Georgia priced at $17.5 million. This mansion, buried 15 meters underground, boasts walls of concrete nearly a meter thick, designed to withstand a 20-kiloton atomic bomb. Inside, residents enjoy over 1,300 square meters of space, including a medical clinic, a cinema, a conference hall, and a media center. Originally built during the Cold War in 1969, this shelter was remodeled in 2012 into the luxurious dwelling it is today. Our journey then takes us to Kansas, where the Survival Condo Project offers elite underground living. This high-rise community stretches 174 meters into the ground. Each apartment, spanning 185 square meters, costs between $1.5 and $3 million. With walls 9 meters thick and doors weighing 14.5 tons, the shelter can withstand even a direct atomic hit. For those bored of their luxury apartments, the complex offers an indoor swimming pool, a cinema, and a gym. Food supplies are stocked to last for years. However, no shelter is as lavish as the UPM bunker in the Czech Republic. Owned by American entrepreneur Jacob Zamrazil, this underground palace is on the market for an eye-watering 250 million euros. Designed to accommodate 50 people, the bunker comes with hydroponic gardens for food production, quarantine facilities, and an advanced control system for managing crises. Zamrazil's bunker is equipped to handle any catastrophe, from pandemics to nuclear fallout. Finally, we arrive at Vivos Europa One in East Germany, the most expensive and luxurious underground complex in the world. Robert Vicino, founder of Vivos, is transforming a 5-square-kilometer Soviet bunker into a billion-dollar palace. This subterranean fortress is designed to survive anything, from atomic wars to supervolcano eruptions. The lucky few who can afford this residence will enjoy ultra-luxurious accommodations, 5-star hotel services, cinemas, swimming pools, jacuzzis, and even a grand ballroom for post-apocalyptic parties. But are these bunkers as secure as they seem? Some scientists warn that even the thickest walls might not protect against earthquakes triggered by nuclear bombs or volcanic eruptions. In such a scenario, these bunkers could become tombs. In a future episode, I'll delve deeper into these risks and share what to do if you find yourself buried alive. Interestingly, not all bunkers come with a millionaire's price tag. For $5,000 to $7,000, Estonian company Teramil offers a plastic bunker resistant to biological, chemical, and even atomic radiation. These cylindrical shelters, 6 meters long, can be transported easily and installed in half an hour. Despite their modest price, they are durable enough to withstand extreme temperatures and, according to the manufacturers, even a nuclear strike. In conclusion, while these bunkers are marketed as post-apocalyptic paradises, it's worth thinking carefully before investing. Humanity has always managed to avoid total disaster, and while these shelters may not be needed to survive the end of the world, they could help address overpopulation or support exploration of Earth's mysterious underground. If you found this tour interesting, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and invite your friends. It's always more fun to watch with company. Stay tuned for more fascinating content, even if the world turns upside down.